This is the Easter Chick Craft. To start out, you'll take the template and cut out all of the pieces from the template. They're all labeled for what they are and the colored paper that they go to. And for the Easter Chick Craft, all of these pieces will be traced onto the orange paper. You'll want to make sure to do 2 legs and 2 feet, and then also leave enough room for the nose to be folded. So you'll want to make sure that you trace those close together and save as much orange paper as possible. You can cut out those pieces and finish tracing the feet as well. And then cut out those too. Then you can cut a strip of orange paper off and fold it in half. And then you'll trace the triangle on that fold so that your beak opens and closes. Then when you cut it out, don't cut along that fold and just leave it folded so that it can open and close. Then you'll take your paper plate and some glue and you'll glue the beak to the middle of the paper plate. And then you can glue the eyes a little bit above that beak. Then you'll take the legs and you'll fold them accordion style. So back and forth, back and forth. And then you can glue the foot onto each leg. Then once you have those legs done, you'll flip the plate over and you can glue the feathers, 2 on each side of the plate for the arms of the chick. And then once you have the arms done, you'll just glue the legs to the bottom of the plate. One tip is to make sure the glue can dry a little bit before you move the plate around at all and before you flip it over. So you'll glue those legs onto the bottom. And once the glue has dried a little bit, you can flip it over. And there you have your Easter chick.